So when you show up and you see a tub clogged and you see a sink next to it, and you want to figure out if it's the tub or the sink and how to snake the line, if the tub starts rising when you're running the sink, that means they share the line and you must snake the sink line. It's going to be a little noisy, this part, not too much. It's going to be a little noisy, but not too much. Water's going down beautifully. Going down through here. Snake it through the sink. That's how you get it done. The swirlies. This is where we got out the line, a whole bunch of hair and bobby pins.